Hello students, this is Roli Bansal and I welcome all of you to the virtual English classes. I'll be beginning with the supplementary reader book first, that is Moments, and the first chapter in the book is The Lost Child by Mulkraj Anand. A very interesting story of a small boy who goes to the fair along with his parents. When he was going to the fair, he was filled with energy, enthusiasm, and happiness as he was going to the fair. But what happened in the fair, which has taken away all his energy and left him in tears? Let us read the story and you will come to know. It was the festival of spring, and from the wintry shades of narrow lane emerged a gaily clad humanity. Gaily means very happy. Clad is well dressed. So the boy was beautifully dressed as he was going to the fair. He was wearing a turban and he was very happy, filled with happiness. When he was going there, he saw few people were walking, few were riding on the horses, and some were even on the bullock carts. And this boy, filled with happiness, was running in between his father's legs. As soon as he entered the fair, he came across a toy shop and he was fascinated by the toys in the shop. Now, he made a bold request from his parents. I want that toy. But his parents looked at him with red eyes and he could not do anything instead of suppressing his desire. So, he was just staring at those toys and his parents moved ahead. His mother called him, "Come, child, come." His mother knew that he was a little disheartened as his wish was not granted. So, in order to divert his mind, she showed him a flowering mustard field which was looking beautiful like pale gold, and the child was attracted by it. There were butterflies in the field and the child started running behind the butterflies in order to catch them. There were dragonflies also, and all those insects also attracted him. Now he moved further in the fair. He was quite obedient to his parents' call. As they called him, "Come, child, come," he just moved forward. Then he came across a sweet shop. The smell of laddus, barfis, gulab jamuns, rasgullas was attracting him. Among all these sweets, his favorite sweet was barfi. That was his weakness. So once again, he could not suppress his desire. He asked his parents, "I want that barfi." But he knew that his parents would refuse him and say that you are greedy. So he did not wait for the answer and moved ahead. Now he came across a flower shop. The shop seller was selling garlands of gulmohar. He wanted to wear that garland around his neck, but he knew the cold stare refusal in the eyes of his parents. So, without waiting for the answer and without making any request, he moved further now. Then he came across a balloon seller who was selling multicolored balloons, and the rainbow glory of the balloons attracted the child. He wanted to get those balloons, but he knew that his parents will refuse him. So, without making any request, he further moved in the fair. Then he came across a snake charmer. The snake charmer was playing music and the snake was dancing at that. He wanted to listen to the music, but he knew that his parents will say that the music is quite coarse and he should not listen to it. So without making any request, once again he moved further. Now he came across a roundabout. He could not stop himself. He just stood there and was staring at it. People of all age group were on the roundabout. Whether women, men, children, all were there. They were enjoying, they were laughing, they were shouting. Everyone was filled with happiness. He also wanted to have a ride on the roundabout. So he made a bold request once again. I want to have a ride on this roundabout. But when he turned back, not only the answer was missing, but his parents were also missing from the fair. He became nervous. He ran here and there in order to search his parents, but they were not anywhere. Now he started crying. He was running here and there, his turban was open, his clothes became dirty, and he was only searching for his parents. He could not find them anywhere. Suddenly, a stranger came and asked him whose child you are. Then he took the child to the roundabout and asked, would you like to have a ride on the roundabout? But the child was crying. I want my mother, I want my father. Then the stranger took him to the snake charmer and asked him, would you like to listen to this music? But the child was continuously crying. I want my mother, I want my father. Then he took him to the balloon seller. He thought the multicolor balloons will attract the child. He asked, would you like to have those balloons? But no answer. He was continuously crying. Then he took the child to the flower shop and asked, would you like to wear that garland of gulmohar around your neck? But the child was still crying. I want my mother, I want my father. Then the man thought maybe the child is hungry. He took him to the sweet shop and asked, would you like to have some sweets? But the answer was same. He was crying, I want my mother, I want my father. And here ends the chapter. This boy who wanted everything in the fair earlier has lost interest in all those things now when he was lost in the fair. The only thing he wanted now was his parents. So the theme of the chapter is parents are the greatest asset for a child, and the love of parents is unconditional. The bond of affection between the parents and children is quite strong, and this is only being exhibited in this chapter. Hope so it is clear to you.